Need your child to leave school before the end of the day? You can request it right from the app. From home, tap Early Leave. If you have more than one child, you can switch between them from home, or view all children together. Your requests are organized in 3 tabs. Pending shows requests waiting for the school, approved shows requests the school accepted, and past keeps your earlier requests for reference. Each card shows the reason, the leaving date and time, and the current status. While a request is still pending, you can cancel it if your plans change. To create a new request, tap Request Early Leave. Check the top of the screen first. It confirms which child you are filing for. Please note, each request covers one child only. If you have siblings leaving early, submit a separate request for each of them. Start by choosing a reason. Pick the one that fits, and remember these options are examples from a demo school, so your list may look different. Next, set leaving at. This is the date and time your child will leave the school, and it is required. If your child is coming back the same day, add a returning at time. This one is optional, but it helps the school plan. You can add a short note with anything the school should know, and attach a document such as an appointment letter if you have one. Keep in mind, early leave requests can only be submitted within a time frame set by your school policy, so it is best to send yours early. When everything looks right, tap Submit Request. Your request is now submitted and waiting for approval. Every request needs the school to approve it, so please wait for the confirmation before planning the pickup. You will find the request in the Pending tab, and once the school responds, it moves to Approved. And that is Early Leave. Simple to request, easy to follow. Thanks for watching.